guys, welcome to the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. In today's video, we are going to look at the 4 top cryptocurrency gaming coins. Now, you might be asking, David, why are you making this video? Usually you're talking about tips and strategies and how you can actually pave the way for your dreams to come true online, right? Yes, this channel is all about affiliate marketing, network marketing, cryptocurrency, and also trading skill sets that can help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. Now, I do have a funding strategy and so on and so forth, but basically I come out with 3 videos a week, one on Monday for marketing, on Wednesday today for trading specifically, and then on Saturday we talk about the passive income strategy that we have in place. Okay, so you get these 3 videos every single week. If that's something that interests you, I highly suggest just hit that subscribe button. But today we're going to be talking about the top 4 gaming coins. Now, I'm not an expert in this field, so I want to make sure that you guys understand this is not financial advice. Definitely, this is just me sharing my knowledge in the journey that I'm on, and I hope that it helps somebody along the way if you're interested. But what I am going to do, if you stick to the end, I'm going to give you 2 options on how you can actually get started with these gaming coins in your portfolio if you want to get started in a very simple and easy manner. Okay, a very easy way to get started with these coins. But first, I'm going to share with you what I know personally and why am I talking about these coins. So specifically, over the last few weeks, I've been creating a strategy for staking. Okay, a lot of people are getting started staking or they want to learn more about staking. I do have a playlist which talks about where you can start to earn on Binance for staking, but I mentioned one of the education topics in that staking video is that you need to know the utility of the coins if you want to start staking. Okay, so staking is looking at it in terms of, I would say, as a stock, right? So you need to know the utility behind it, and in my opinion, I prefer to stick with, at least in the cryptocurrency space, coins which have a specific utility for the long term. Okay, this is not a short-term strategy, it's a long-term strategy that I am putting into place, and I'm showing you that you can get started with even a little amount and then start to scale up as you go along. Okay, so I'm going into the gaming coins specifically because gaming for me is a good industry. Yes, it is, and I'm going to mention this to you guys if you're getting started. It is a high risk industry, specifically gaming, but it is also something that you can find with real-time significance, right? Which makes sense, which works, which is a whole booming industry in itself. So it's insane the kind of profits that you can make with cryptocurrency gaming coins, but it is risky. Okay, it is risky. So I'm going to share with you these things and also show you how you can start to build your portfolio on different methods, but an easy way. So let's talk about the top 4 coins. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not an expert. So whatever information that I give you, you can find and do your own due diligence and do your own research, because this is just an entry. This is like kind of the door for you to get the knowledge for this kind of a platform, right? So let's go ahead and look at the first coin, which is the main coin that I'm going to be talking about, is Enjin coin. Okay, now Enjin coin is one of the biggest names in the cryptocurrency space right now for the gaming coins. It also provides a framework for games to be created. So basically, you are able to use Enjin coin to create different personalities, different things, features for games with an as an NFT, which are getting real-time value because you can start to purchase those elements in the gaming world. Now, one of the most successful projects that Enjin coin has is the integration with Minecraft. It's just a whole different level of now creating NFT games where you can utilize the gaming coins to now have a real world purchase, right? An NFT was created for the artistic space, but it's also created for the gaming space where you can utilize these different elements of the game. So for example, a skin or a simple feature that's there, and it gains value over time because of all of these things. So you can get started in the gaming world pretty easily with cryptocurrency as well. The other coins that I'm going to be speaking about today and show you a little bit more is Mana, which is Decentland, Sandbox, which is Sand, and Axie Infinity, which is basically AXS. Okay, these are the 4 coins that I personally I know more about, but as I mentioned, you can go ahead and do your research as well. This is just to open your eyes to the possibility of gaming as an industry, and then the cryptocurrency equivalent of it in the space that you can find, right? So it has a real-time value. What are the projects? What is the work that people are putting in? How do you actually go about finding the real-time utility of that coin. So that's how I look at it. And it's specifically related to the fact that I did started to do this research because I was looking into staking. Let's go ahead and actually look at Enjin. Just to share with you, there are NFTs that you can integrate with games through your Enjin wallet, which is basically you can start to earn Ethereum on the market, and Ethereum is the second largest coin at the moment. Okay, and you can see where all you can find these platforms. What are NFTs? Again, you can find that here and how it can be grown, and Enjin can be also staked. So there are different games that Enjin is actually right now integrated with, and you can have a multiverse collection, for example, is one of the games. There are different items that you can purchase from there that will have a value in itself. So I can scroll down and look at the next. You can trade as well the rare NFTs that you do find with Enjin coin with another person, and so on and so forth, and start to gain this way. So it's one of the possibilities. And yeah, you can feel free to go ahead and actually look at this. Just to show you that there are 1.7 million wallets used and 1.16 billion in assets just on Enjin coin. So the marketplace is crazy. Okay, it's really crazy. And with the inception, let's say, of metaverse with Facebook and so on and so forth, I think this is going to be quite valuable as we go ahead. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It does contain risk, but I'm just sharing with you Enjin as one of them. Then we have Axie Infinity. Now, for all of you guys who are Pokemon crazy and who are looking at, this kind of a space where you are buying buying and selling cards, if you remember, this is the digital version of a whole nation that you can find, battle, collect, earn. You can read the white paper. It was specifically for people who are in the space. It's a Pokemon inspired universe that was created. You can buy and sell these different characters and just hold them if you want with Axie Infinity. So it's quite an interesting space to be in, because you can find so much on not only the game but also the arcs behind it, right? The history of this ecosystem that exists for this this space. So it's pretty much, it has a very high Asian community at the moment, but also Brazilian, if I'm not mistaken. There's something to look at. Okay, so please go ahead and feel free to read the white paper. It is the most trending coin at the moment in the gaming space, because it is does have quite a high value at the moment. Now, all of these coins, for example, if you want to know how much they cost, I would say go to CoinMarketCap just as as a search, and just look, for example, Enjin. Okay, this is the value of the coin at the moment, but we were talking about Axie as well, right? So if we look at, okay, Axie Infinity is 136 at the moment. It's gone down, but it went right up to 100, almost 150 per coin, guys. Okay, so the market value is pretty high. It's very trending. It's amazing to have this staking feature as well, and we'll talk about that in a bit. The other coin that I wanted to share with you, and I have been speaking about this on my channel the last few times I have put a video out, is Sandbox. Okay, Sandbox is, again, I think the longest, if I'm not mistaken. It's been there for a while. It is a low cap coin, as I mentioned, so it does have a high volatility, but Sandbox is definitely a utility in the gaming space that you can find. Now, this is the website. You can find the market, for example, and see what all is there in terms of characters. Now, this is just to show you, this is NFTs for sale. Guys, look at the amount, 3,000 for Ghostman. So these are things that you can buy and sell, and grows with value over time. And as you can see, it has a lot of space. There are NFTs, again, in this whole gaming industry that we're in. So Sandbox is another one that I personally which I'm staking. I'm staking currently Sandbox, Axie Infinity. Enjin is something that you can. I haven't got started staking it, but it's one of the top coins that I'm looking into as well. And the last one is Decentland, which is basically, I know that you guys find there are many games that are based on the virtual reality of creating the space, having a shop, and areas that you can go. It's just a whole land in itself. So Decentraland is basically those kind of games on a decentralized blockchain, which is Mana. The coin is Mana, and you can purchase things in Mana. But the point of this is that even, for example, real-time shops that exist in the real world also have a digital space here. They have NFTs that you can be using to purchase stuff there, and this has real-time value as well. So these are the coins that I would suggest to have a look at. Do your research, see whether it makes sense for you. And for example, this is just an article I wanted to show you. It just after the rebranding of Facebook, the price of Mana jumped 80% just because of that. Okay, so the whole metaverse, who knows what's going to happen in this space. As I said, it's a risky area, but at the same time, it's good to understand the value of these coins in real time. So you can find, I'm just going to show you the marketplace on Axie Infinity because it's crazy. So imagine you have these Axies, right? So the Axies are the actual, let's say, Pokemons that you get there, and the kind of value that it has. So as you gain more features to that, you can buy and sell at a pretty decent price also. So it's exactly how, I mean, I always think of it as my younger days when I had Pokemon cards that I was dealing with and so on and so forth. These are the cryptocurrency versions of it. And it is a big space to get into. So if you're interested in it, have a look at these coins. What I wanted to share with you is not only what these coins are, but then when you're thinking about how do you start to, because it's a risky space and it's not my area of expertise, I need to know how do I add it to my portfolio and what's the best way to add it to my portfolio. So I have a couple of ways which I'm going to share with you. So for now, Axie, Sandbox, these two coins right here, what I would suggest is creating, you can create an account in Binance. Okay, the link to Binance will be in the description of this video, and you can basically start to stake stake these coins in Binance. How do you do that? You basically go to Binance Earn right here. You go to Binance. Once you log into Binance, once you create your account and everything else, as you guys can see, you can have staking of 30 days, 115% of Axie coin. This is quite interesting, and also fixed savings of Axie coin right here. But if you scroll down and just click on lock staking, which is what I am personally doing with my portfolio on Binance. I click there, it opens another tab, and you will see all the coins that you can stake with Binance Earn. So if you scroll down right here, you'll basically find the coins. And if I am not mistaken, you'll be able to find Axie pretty easily, as you can see right here. Right now, it's available for 30 days, for example. You can stake that. Now, this 115% is per year. Okay. So the minimum amount is 0.1 Axie, which is about, at the moment, I'm not sure. You'll have to check the amount, but this is what you can get started with, which is not a bad thing. It's quite low because one coin costs almost 150. So 0.1 is quite okay. That's Axie. And then if you scroll down right here, as you can see, you have also Sand that you can start to stake right here. So these are the two coins I personally am using Binance Earn to stake. And the other one in the other place is Celsius. Now, just give me a second, guys, because I need to pause my share now. The other place, guys, that I would suggest to look at staking these or having these coins in your portfolio is Celsius. Now, if you want some free Bitcoin from this video, guys, I highly suggest to click on the code in the description or the link in the description to Celsius, open your wallet, and if you can start to earn passively through Celsius. And I just want to share with you, for example, the coins that are there. So if I go down right here and I say start earning today, and we look at the coins that are available, if I'm not mistaken, we scroll down and look at cryptocurrencies, you'll be able to see that Mana is on this exchange. But let me just scroll down. Here we go. Mana is right here, and it's a minimal percentage. So sorry, this is, let's put international rates. Yeah, it's the same, 0.663%, which is a small amount. But if you want to have it in your portfolio and have it earning for you, on a passive element, then this is the place to do it, in my opinion, if you don't want to stake it, or you can find a way to stake it as well. All these coins you should be able to stake, but again, do your due diligence or research. I would highly suggest any which ways starting with Celsius, and I'm going to be creating videos specifically on Celsius on Wednesdays, guys. So stay tuned for that. It's a phenomenal platform. It's a phenomenal place for you to start to earn passive income and just have rewards in your part of your portfolio in Celsius. And plus, you get a free $50 worth of Bitcoin if you get started with the link in the description and deposit at least $400 within your portfolio on your first purchase. Okay. You're going to get free, as you can see right here. You get free $50, I get free $50. So if you want to help me out with this channel as well, this is the way I suggest. Guys, I think that's it from my side. These are the videos, these are the coins, as I mentioned, that are important for me personally. I'm staking 2 of these on Binance. They're a part of my portfolio. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency in general, I have my Facebook group in the description, which I highly suggest you get into, because then I can help you out on a personal basis, even to start your trading journey if you want to learn how to trade online. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was educational and enjoyable for you, and I see you on the next one next week for another cryptocurrency video. Have a great day and have a great week ahead.